Hi campers, Gary here from selfinflatingmats.co.uk. Just a quick video of the Vango self-inflating pillow. As you can see, it's sort of self-inflating as we speak. That's a fairly standard size business card. That's the pack size. There you go, and my sort of normal sized hands, I suppose. And there is the pillow again, and once that has self-inflated, you can do the valve up and it will stay at the pressure or the fillness, is that a word? Fillness that you're after, but you can squash it down and then do the valve up so you get it wherever you want. So I'll just open that up again and you'll see it just starts to inflate, and probably that's about where you want it. Don't necessarily want it too full, but yeah, that's the Vango self-inflating pillow, brought to you by Gary from selfinflatingmats.co.uk. Cheers.